What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to Kenny's goatee. We're lacking right here, but it's gonna grow in. This is day number 18 of Vlogmas. We're going strong. I think it's 18. Is it 18? Oh, it's 19. Day 19. But we got a celebrity in the chair today. We got Denzel Washington from He Got Game. There he is. So give us the best Denzel impression.
My nigga.
My nigga. We got Davey with the Olympic sixes on. I think he got those for under retail.
Big time under retail.
We got Hector with the Indian brown dunks. I like those. What's the tee you're wearing? I like the color. Oh, that's cool.
Faith over fear.
I like the little wash look right there.
Yeah.
Oh.
You be scared, go to church.
That's why I'm always there. And then we have X with the Cardinals on. Si, senor. Look at that hat. It's like a kung fu movie. A kung fu movie? Where you, like the words in the mouth is all off. That's your Jackie Chan first strike? So I've been trying to do this shoe trend for the whole month, but it's getting hard. Running out of shoes. Either buy more or wear some everyday, not sneakers. I think it's where we're at now. Got on the He Was a Skater Boy. She said, see you later, boys. Luis's got on David's Air Force Ones from 2014. What you got on right there?
Those.
I don't think I've ever seen those. Have you worn them?
Yeah.
I like those. I like the black check.
A uncle for your uncle, a pant for your aunt. So all we just need is Cindy Lou.
Dad, doesn't this seem like a bit much?
Cindy Lou.
Prepare! The Whoville 100 Cheermeister is here!
Mr. Hank, it's so good that you arrived.
Got our caffeine bright and early. Sun's not even up. We're at men's breakfast. Let's get fed. What's up, guys? We got a good handful of haircuts today. I didn't really record a lot yesterday, but I will include the morning footage I got, and then I didn't cut anything all day. I was the DJ yesterday, and your boy got an A+ from Heck 2 himself. But that's beside the point. Last night we had the Grinch play. Great turnout. I'll leave a little. I think I left a little bit of clips. If you didn't see them now, I'll put them here. Either or. But we're at the shop now. Saturday morning. Got a good handful of haircuts today. So let's get to the day. Try to get some more footage today for y'all. But let's get it, man. This is the first time that I think X repeated his sneakers in 18 days. He's wearing something different for 18 days. Huh? But I said for 18 days you wore something different, but I think today's the first day you repeated. Yeah.
I was gonna wear something else, but I was like, you got that shit on. Hey, I started way too early.
Oh no, you didn't. This is because I bought my Palominos after I seen yours, and that was like maybe a month ago. So you didn't repeat. You didn't repeat. But we got Icy Blends brought to you by Xavier. We got Hector. Repeated. We got the Camo boys in the building. No pants gang. Pantless gang. Shirtless gang. dad was in Iraq. He went to Babylon. You can still see the foundations of the castle that King Nebuchadnezzar had there. I don't know if they still teach us in school, but they used to teach us about the 7 wonders of the world.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember that.
In Babylon. That's what that was. King Nebuchadnezzar's like masterpiece. Crazy ones that in Afghanistan where I was at. A lot of the people, bro, like it's a mixture. There was a lot of Buddhists there at one point because it was part of the Asian Empire at one point. And so a lot of them, bro, they're like Asian, bro. Like Asian in Kyrgyzstan? Yeah, Kyrgyzstan, bro. They're like speak, but they speak a different language.
What the hell?
That's because Islam and Muhammad went on crusades and they took over like large areas of the world.
Yeah.
And so a lot of people speak Arabic now. More forms of it. Yeah. Pretty crazy, bro.
Yeah.
And so they have Arabic, Russian, and Asian, like, roots. All mixture. I love history, bro.
Am I all interested?
What's good, y'all? We are back here at the house. I am eating some noodles before I go back to work. I have 3 more appointments. Then we got to get back to the church. Then we're having the second showing of our Grinch play tonight. And I think there's going to be a lot more people today than there was last night. So I'm looking forward to it. Had a great time at men's breakfast this morning. Very inspirational word that was given about, you know, the fight of life. Like, we have to keep fighting. The Bible teaches us to fight through things, and we got to continue to do that. Christianity is not some passive religion. It is a very interactive thing. It's something that you have to do on a daily basis, decision making. And it's tough. But that was what that was about this morning. Gonna get back to the shop. I have a kid, then I have an older gentleman with a beard, and then I have an older gentleman with a beard. So we'll get those squared away. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed some of I threw in some. Excuse me, I threw in some clips of the white, ghost? Not ghost. The white slime clipper. And then also, I threw in videos of the green slime. So there's a little OG. But you can find the link down below, the Amazon store. You can go there and find those clippers for a cheap price. So go check it out. All right, we over here detailing, doing some final touch-ups on the beard line here. Stretch the skin, go against the grain. Stretch the skin, go against the grain. And if you want like a nice curve, pull it more. Right there. Just like that.
Mr. Freddie Jackson.
See that, y'all? I know y'all see that. Voila. Got ourselves a nice curve. Look at that. All right, y'all, before I change the outfit, got a tee I got on from Burlington. It's got some red on the back. We got on the Yeezy Bread 350s. Got some cargo joggers. Got the Apple Watch. And we got the shop windbreaker. So I did order the Gamma Blues, but they didn't come in my size. So I ordered them and I sold them to one of the resellers here. But since we have them here, let's take a look at what they look like. So let me turn this on here. We should have a light that comes on. There we go. We'll do white and we'll turn that bad boy up. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. So they look nice here. Look at that. There's the front. Oh my gosh. I wish I did have these. I had these back in 2013 when they first dropped. But they are beautiful. My goodness. I like that. I just don't like how they put the patent leather a little higher. I wish it was still a little lower. But overall, look at that shoe. Beautiful. I like the gold and the different light blue with the icy sole. Looks so nice. I dig it. All right, before my daughter cut me off, I was gonna say let's go change for the Christmas play. So this is what we're rocking right here. It's a Grinch play. Your boy's narrator. So we got the house shoes on because we want to look like we at like reading a book at home on a rocking chair. So that's the look we're going for. Then we got the Christmas sweater. So that's the look for the night. Let's go be mean for Christmas. We are here. It's a bit dark. We're about to turn on all the lights and all that stuff. Get it all ready to go. Before here's my station. I don't know where my book is at, but gotta turn the sub on. Then we got some other stuff to turn on, and then, yeah, we're in Whoville. So we got the soundboard on, and then we also have, I'm covering that up. We got the soundboard, got the computer, and then we got Whoville. So now, we just have to find the mouse, or mice. Bruh, where are we at? All right, here we are. Boom. And then we got everything over there. There's Whoville. There's a guy that's gonna be doing the altar call, Mr. Brandon Jessup.
Hello! Hello! How are you? How are you? I asked you first! I asked you first! All realtor copy everything I said. All realtor copy everything I said. I'm an idiot! You're an idiot! Fuck! I'm just going to whisper. So by the time my voice reaches over there, it goes off the wall, and I will be able to. You're an idiot!
Say, I know that I'm a sinner. I believe that you for my sins. I repent of those sins. I turn away, and I want to live for you. Come into my life. Cleanse my heart. Cleanse my mind.
We just got done with the play, and we got the dancing Trump. Kai, come here. Can you do the Trump dance? Yeah, dork.
Yeah, so hit the little plus and then search it.
That's hard.
One who rescues you. I have this incredible picture on my desk top at home. It's a picture as if you were looking through Peter's eyes when he sunk down in the sea and his hand is reached up and all you can see through the ripples of waters is a blurry image of Jesus reaching down to grab Peter as he sunk. That's us.
So we just got out of evening service. We picked up some Popeye's chicken. 14 years ago, I was in Afghanistan. Wait. 14 years ago, I was in Afghanistan, and I posted, because they have Popeyes over there at that at one of the places, at the bases I was at, and I put hood rats at Popeyes. No way. ... Which, because I seen some ratchet folk over there, but that's beside the point. The point right now is, my daughter just asked if she could have a Popeye's biscuit. So if we could just take a moment of silence and pray for my daughter before she eats this hockey puck. I don't know what's drier than a Popeye's biscuit. But good luck.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
May the Lord bless you on this journey and be with you through this time. And I hope that you're able to sustain the dryness that you're about to contain in that biscuit right there.
Thank you.
Godspeed.
With no drink is crazy.
You can hear the crunch. I don't think biscuit is supposed to crunch. Is it good?
Yeah.
You don't got a cap. Yeah, Popeye's biscuits suck. But yeah, finish them all. We got half a dozen. She's about to put on Hawthorne Heights and need a 6-pack of biscuits. Guys, as you can tell by my eye sockets, we had a very, very busy, eventful weekend. I'm tired. My eyes are poofy. I got work tomorrow. 1 day off. I'm gonna work Wednesday. Or no, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Off Thursday, Friday, and go back to work Saturday. But as you guys seen in the vlog, we had 2 nights back-to-back of the Grinch play. And we had seen 70, overall, cumulatively, I want to say there was about 500 between both days in attendance. And we also have seen about 70 people make a decision to give their lives to God and to trust in Jesus Christ as the Lord and Savior. So that is a huge blessing before Christmas, just in general, any day of the week, any hour of the day, any minute of the hour, any second of the minute. I think that that is the best decision that anybody can make. But I was a narrator. My daughter was a Who. My son was Max. My wife was a Light Lady. And Kai was a extra. And Jordan was a spectator. But that was our weekend. Today's Sunday evening time. We just got done with dinner. We had 2 services today. This morning I went to service and then came home and took a 3.5 hour nap. Was out of it. Went to church and came back home. It's just been a nice little lazy day. I think we all need those every now and then. And I feel like I could sleep even more. But back to the grind tomorrow. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, let me know down in the comment section. I appreciate everybody for checking this out. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn on your post notifications. And I'll see you guys mañana. Tomorrow we're gonna go Christmas Carol at a nursing home. So that'll be cool to go uplift some older folk. But yeah, God bless y'all.